Okay. So we know first thing is what is allocation? What is allocation?
Allocation is when expense
Allocation.
to only one department.
Okay, whole item of expenditure is related to one department. What is apportionment?
When expense is related to more than one department.
Can you give another word for department?
Cost center.
Cost center. So allocation you directly pick and put. How for apportionment, what do you do?
Apportionment, you will either um wait divide or you will divide or distribute it among the cost centers.
On what
Hmm.
basis?
Like they'll give you
On
some
what basis?
like asset ka value, they'll give us something like that.
So they will give you the basis and you have to select a suitable basis. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So we have already discussed about allocation and apportionment, and we already discussed that the things expenses that is related to plant and machinery, we are going to distribute it amongst the cost centers on suitable basis, right? And the
Yeah.
suitable basis for plant and machinery was this. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Let's talk about the suitable basis for other expenses. Rent.
For
Suitable
rent.
basis for rent. There is floor area that is given to us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
So
yeah,
rent
yeah.
we can distribute on the basis of floor area,
For area. Huh.
Hmm.
heating and lighting
Heating and
can be
lighting.
apportioned on the basis of floor area again,
Oh yeah.
because I have only two bases. First basis that is given to me is the floor area, and second base that is given to me is the book value of my asset. Yeah.
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 So everything that was related to the asset, everything that was related to the asset, I have distributed, or I decided that I will distribute it on the basis of the cost of the asset, correct?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. So now the remaining things, how will I distribute? On the basis of floor area. So maintenance also floor area, insurance also floor area. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Now the next thing that you have to do. So when we are going to distribute it on the basis of floor area. So let's see, we will make the ratio. What is the total of this? I will cut two zeros for floor area. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So the total of this is
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
rent is of 90. Can you see?
Hmm.
Okay, this will be distributed amongst my 4 cost centers.
Yeah.
So 90 will be distributed amongst the 4 cost centers. And on suitable basis, the suitable basis is what?
So Miss, you'll do
Into
95 upon 10 into 2.
90. The expenditure of 90 will be distributed amongst machining, painting, assembly, and packing. I hope you'll have your calculators with you.
Huh.
Okay, fine. Keep it in your hand. So this expenditure of 90 is going to be distributed amongst my 4 cost centers on suitable basis. So for machining, the base will be 5 by 10.
47.
For painting, it will be 2 by 10. Assembly again 2 by 10. And packing would be 1 by 10. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's do the sum together. Okay. What do they want us to find?
Overhead cost for each
Yeah.
department.
Read this. What do they want us to find?
Find total direct costs for each department.
They want us to find the total direct cost for each department. Okay. What are the 4 direct costs that I have?
Direct labor,
Direct material, direct
mat-
labor. That is it.
yeah,
Will I do allocation or will I do apportionment?
allocation.
So I will write. Please do along with me. And while doing, you all can say. Basis will be allocation. I will directly pick and put. Pick and put. Pick and put. Pick and put. So it will be 80, 20, 5 and 12, 136, 74, 68 and 45. You all will give me the total.
Okay, 1 minute.
So this will be the total direct cost.
First one is 216.
हाँ, matching का is
Second one is
216.
94. Third
हाँ,
one is 73. And fourth one is
57.
Hmm? Give me this
57.
total also. Yeah, give me this total also.
440.
The which one is 440?
The total.
Okay, give me for this also, no?
Okay, 1 minute. I'm giving you. 100, 117. Direct material is 117. And I'm doing the direct labor. $323 is direct labor.
Done?
Yeah.
So this is total direct cost. Come on. Now, overhead cost for each department. Are you all with me?
yeah.
Okay. Direct material is done.
Hmm.
Direct labor is done. What are my
Yes.
overhead costs? One is indirect labor.
Yeah.
I will
That will
write
take
all of
time.
them. So indirect labor is directly allocation.
Yeah.
And I will take the amount and I will put it. Pick and put. Pick and put is what?
Allocation.
Allocation. If I have to apportion, if I have to distribute, then it is what?
Apportionment.
Apportionment. So what are the expenses now? Factory expenses would be rent, heating and lighting, maintenance,
And insurance.
okay? Come on, distribute it. This would be on the basis of, and the plant and machinery. Related to plant and machinery, there will be depreciation, repairs, and insurance. Basis would be floor area.
Won't basis be AP?
Why AP? No. For plant and machinery, what would be the costs? Are you with me?
Yeah.
Total, I already know.
90.
90, 70, 30, and 20. And here would be 80, 32, and 16. Now you have to just divide the expense. I'm just making the basis for you a bit simpler. 5 by 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 10, and 1 by 10. And over here it would be 9, 10, 14, 15, 16. 16. So it would be 9 by 16, 4 by 16, 1 by 16, and 2 by 16. So for every item of expenditure, you are going to distribute on the ratio.
Yeah.
For 90, 2 by 10, and the figure over here. Come on, tell me. Rent, how much for machining? Please tell me, rent how much for machining?
Machine 45.
Painting,
18.
assembly,
18.
and packing.
And 9.
Okay. Heating and lighting. Please come, tell fast, okay?
Okay, so 35, 14, 14, and 7.
Maintenance,
Maintenance is 1 sec. 15, 6, 6, and 3.
insurance.
Insurance is 10, 4, 4, and 2. I'm still doing plant and machinery.
Miss, hers and
Okay.
mine insurance is not same. I'm getting insurance 10662.
Okay, let's check. 20 is divided by 10. So 10, 4, it's correct. Hers is
Yeah, it
correct.
has to be 4, 4, 2.
4, 2.
Oh, 1 second, then I did wrong.
This is 45.
And 20.
This is 20. 1 by 16 will be
5.
5 and 2 by 16 will be 10. Okay. Then this would be 18, 8, 2,
And 4.
4. Next one,
16 into. First one is 9.
9, 4, 1, 2.
Yep.
And then you will do the total.
Hmm.
So this would be your total. I'm using one word, okay? Please be careful of what word I'm using. This would be total budgeted overheads. Why I'm saying budgeted overheads? I'm using the word budgeted overheads because this is very important that I'm discussing. The manufacturer will do the costing first. When I'm saying he will do the costing first, that means he first estimates the costs. Then he will put his profit percentage. He will fix the selling price, and then afterwards he will actually start producing. So a manufacturer always budgets. When I'm using the word budgets, I'm trying to say he estimates. So a manufacturer first budgets or estimates the costs. Cost is always on an estimated basis for a manufacturer. So I will write total budgeted overheads. Can I get the total of all this? What is this total? The first one.
1 second.
463.
4.
63.
Machining total.
228.
Painting total.
106.
Assembly
Then
total.
78.
Packing total.
51.
Sorry,
51.
31.
51, miss, not 31.
Okay. Sorry, 51.
51, yeah. And it adds up to 463. So calculation is.
Yeah, it should add up to 463. Now, if you see over here, they want the total cost of production of each department. So you first found out the total direct cost, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. So the total direct costs plus
Plus the
your budgeted overheads, your total direct costs plus your budgeted overheads would give you the total cost for each department. Okay. So what is your total direct cost? It is 440, 216
440,
and 73. So when they ask you your total direct cost, it would total cost of production, it would be your total direct cost plus your total budgeted overheads. So what is your total budgeted overheads? It is 463, 228, 106, 78 and 51. So what is your total? 440 plus 463. So this is 903. For matching, it is how much? 444. Painting, 200. Assembly, 151. And packing, why are you not answering?
I'm answering 108.
I'm not listening to any answer. So this is the total cost of production. in the total cost of production, and this is the budgeted. Okay, I'm stressing on this part because this is very important. In this total cost of production, the manufacturer will add his profit. He will then fix the selling price. So this is always on estimated basis. What basis? Estimated basis. The direct cost, more or less, it remains the same. But in the budgeted overheads, he will later face issues because what he estimates and what actually happens in the budgeted overheads, the manufacturer would later on face an issue. The reason being is what he estimates and what actually happens are two separate things. So what he estimates and what actually happens are separate. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So we got a total cost of production as this. Are you all there with me, right?
Yeah.
Now after this, I have given you all two sums, which I want you all to do it yourself and evaluate yourself. This is the first worked example. This is your overheads expenditure, and here is your basis.
What is
I want you
KWH?
to do it. Sorry?
What is KWH?
Kilowatts.
Acha, this is not related. Okay, fine, I understood.
So this is your item of expenditure. This is your item of expenditure and this is your basis. So you have to distribute it amongst the department on suitable basis. After doing it, you are going to evaluate yourself. This is your first homework. Okay?
Yeah.
Then after that, you will do this second sum. In the second sum, it is also there in the booklet if you've printed. You will do allocation or apportionment. Can you tell me whether there is allocation of overheads or there is apportionment of overheads over here?
There is apportionment of overheads over here.
There is apportionment of overheads. So you will do apportionment of overheads. The item of expenditure is rent, heating and lighting, depreciation, and employee overheads. After you do this apportionment, you will do your total and you will arrive at this answer. Okay?
Yeah.
After this is done, I will teach you another thing which is an extension of apportionment. But right now, because we are focusing only on allocation and apportionment, I want you to do only up till here.
Okay.
Are you with me?